Au large des côtes de l'Asie, les Philippines offrent des paysages paradisiaques. La végétation est luxuriante, les terres y sont riches et fertiles. Pourtant, le pays rassemble un condensé des problématiques rencontrées à l'échelle planétaire. Primauté de l'agrobusiness, accaparement des terres, dégâts de l'ultralibéralisme, affrontements interreligieux. Située tout au sud de l'archipel, l'île de Mindanao fournit à elle seule 40% des récoltes du pays. Mais l'expansion de l'agriculture industrielle maintient les communautés paysannes dans la pauvreté.
Nathaniel Fernandez is my eldest son. Despite of his hunchback, he always managed to work. Always. His father died 6 years ago. My husband has been killed in 2012. A man in a motorcycle shot him in the street. Before he died, he was struggling to keep the rights to cultivate the land and stood against the landowner, Rodrigo San Luis. Even if we won 3 different trials, still San Luis pays a guard to stay in the house of Nathaniel. We never get access to our lands.
Depuis 1988, une réforme agraire vise à redistribuer les terres de manière plus équitable entre riches propriétaires et petits paysans. Grâce au soutien de l'État, les agriculteurs peuvent racheter les parcelles qu'ils louent et qu'ils exploitent. Mais ils font parfois face au refus des propriétaires. Harcèlement juridique, pression morale, expulsion, voire assassinat, tous les moyens sont bons pour les intimider. Et bien souvent, devant les complications, les exploitants renoncent à réclamer leurs terres. Nathanaël a fait appel à DKMP pour l'aider à conserver la parcelle qu'il exploitait en vertu de la loi philippine. Les membres de DKMP et Kiloska apportent leur soutien dans cette lutte, souvent au péril de leur vie.
DKMP was actually established because a lot of farmers are facing land tenure problems. Nathaniel and his mother came to us, then we advised them on what to do. Rodrigo San Luis is the legal owner and plan to sold the land to the big corporations because they need millions, not the small value of the land that Nathaniel and his mother can lease.
Dari may wa ka trabaho tugod na mga sikyo tuni guard nga di mi pasudlon.
Ce garde est un simple voisin.
Go out now.
Payé par Rodrigo San Luis, il vit aujourd'hui sur les terres de Nathanaël pour l'empêcher d'y pénétrer et de récolter ses fruits. Arme au poing, c'est aussi lui qui a chassé Nathanaël de sa maison en 2012.
He left that house because the guard treated him so much. He pointed at above 3 times. Oh, if you will not back it in this house, I will shoot you. Pong, pong, pong.
La présence de la caméra nous a permis d'approcher la maison de Nathanaël, où le mobilier rouille depuis maintenant 6 ans.
I will go here. I will insist to go here, but they always reprimand me. But I will not say bad words to them. I just say, please let me in because this is the fruit of our toil. This is the fruit of our toil. And we cannot taste the fruits of our toil. This is my husband. He received a death threats. Be careful. Be careful because you are the one leading. And 2 weeks before I heard that word, be careful, he was shot.
We have to fight a powerful person. They have money. They can hire bodyguards or goons. So we also have to mobilize a strong force, not to fight through guns and weapons, but we fight them with legal aspect.
La justice locale est souvent corrompue. Il faut donc porter l'affaire loin des réseaux des propriétaires. Kiloska plaide la cause des paysans au niveau national.
The landowners have connections in the local level. That's why they usually just delay the case or delay the things that we need to do.
En Asie du Sud-Est, c'est aux Philippines que la répartition des terres est la plus inégalitaire. C'est le pays le plus dangereux au monde pour les défenseurs des droits des petits paysans.
Kiluska intervenes and bring the case to the national level. We took the case to the Department of Agrarian Reform, or the ministry, and talked to the highest ranking official there, which is the secretary of the department.
We go together, the tenants, with the help of the DKMP and the Kiloska.
We found it very effective because of the results that we actually gained.
When we appeal, Nathaniel won. Again, they go to the Supreme Court, but they did not won. Nathaniel won. Bukaon sa ko, sa akong itanom dong. Bilang Kanang sila. Bilang ramang kong panalang sabi tao.
Nathaniel and his mother are still struggling with the land.
Hopefully, the writ of execution will be served at last within this year.
That's what we actually learned, that whenever a farmer learns about their rights, the enemy trembles, because they're aware of what they're fighting for.